Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today we are here together to unbox a curated collection from Grizas.
Welcome lovelies. Well, both of us in beautiful Grizas outfits. You're the skirt.
The skirt.
Me, the pants, and this gorgeous rose color. My mother would have loved this.
Yeah.
And she would have looked great
soft
in it.
pink.
That's her color.
Yeah.
That was her color.
It looks great on your skin tone.
It does, eh?
Beautiful.
Yeah. Thank you. And we have a treasure box at our feet.
We do have a treasure box. Oh my.
Oh my, oh,
Oh
my.
my, oh my. Well, Grizas is one of our beloved lines that we carry in the boutique and one of our best-selling collections as well. Other than our own Lousje Bean collection, which is the top seller always. But Grizas
Because you like us.
Yeah, Grizas is definitely
one of the faves.
One of the faves. So I'm wearing the skirt that we've restocked, which, oh, so beautiful.
Tessa.
I know, it's gorgeous. And then I just picked the blondie t-shirt.
I like
to
how
give it a casual look.
It's really nice.
Yeah. You know, you have these exquisite pieces like my Ayala bar, but then you just cash it up a little.
No, I really love it.
It looks wonderful.
Yeah.
So yes, so we have a beautiful box here that we've curated with some treasure pieces that are silhouettes, patterns that Grizas has done for years, and you lovely ladies love them.
And new colors.
New colors, yes. So we were just talking about treasures, and treasures as in our friends. Do you have some treasure friends, ladies? Because we definitely do.
Yeah, we do.
We do. We each have a treasure friend.
Yeah, we do. Going way back.
Who are you going to tell the ladies?
My friend Cinta from Amsterdam. We met second year in high school, and we immediately knew we met our people because we were like, you know, attached.
So nice, eh?
It's so nice, and it's a feeling, right? It's not hard work, it just goes. Anyway, then we had planned after high school to go and be an au pair in England. And we had filled out all the papers, and then I met your dad.
And she got swept away, ladies.
And 9 months later, I'm in Canada. And
Cinta was like...
And Cinta was my witness at my wedding. Oh. And the pictures of her standing next to me when we exchanged our vows are just, she was so sad beyond. But, you know, once you have the buck, the love buck, you can't do anything about it. Anyway, then life took us, right? She married a man who worked in South African countries, building schools, building hospitals, right up her alley. She's a social justice woman. She's always demonstrating against something in Amsterdam, even at this age. Anyway, they traveled all over. They worked for the United Nations, and we lost touch. It's a beautiful story. 8 years ago, I was with my sister and her son. We visited Normandy, and we were in our B&B, and I'm reading a Dutch newspaper that they brought, and there's an article there, and the last name is her last name, and her brother's name is Patrick, and it was an article by her brother. And I said, oh my goodness, how? Because I had tried to find her, Facebook, I couldn't find her anywhere, nowhere. And so my nephew said, email him. And I emailed him, and I immediately got back an email saying, because I was careful, I said, I'm Lousje, do you remember me? Your sister, and so on. If she is in the country, because she might have been still in Africa, I would love to see her. He wrote back, of course I remember you. She would love it. She's in Amsterdam. Text her or email her. And I did. And when I came back to Amsterdam from our Normandy trip, was the last day of my trip, I met her.
Aww.
At Grand Central Station in Amsterdam.
At the piano?
At the piano. Yeah, and
if you've ever been, ladies, to Central Station in Amsterdam, there's a piano there that anyone can play.
A Steinway.
And we always, anyone we're meeting there, we say, meet us at the piano.
And there's always somebody playing.
It's so beautiful.
Anyway, she said, when I saw you coming down, walking down, I knew it was you.
That's
and
so
it was, and since now we are so close again.
Yeah, I love that.
And we just treasure each other. And actually, Glenn and I have stayed with her and her husband in Amsterdam, and we've been there. The first time we stayed, I had an Ayala bar necklace with me, my own, and she admired it. She's very not opulent, jewelry, very subdued. Anyway, I left it with a little note in our bedroom, and I wrote, I'm getting emotional. I wrote, the chain will never break if it's a good chain. It is special.
She's
Now
so special in your life. No, but that's what this is about, those treasures, right? Those treasures.
And since we talk about, you know, all of us have, you know, life is not always, even life is great. There's always little glitches, with your family, and she's the one I talk to. But I have many good friends here too in Canada. Don't be upset, girls, you're special to me too. But this goes way back. She knew my parents, she knew my sisters, you know, it goes. And the same with you.
Yeah.
With your Steffi.
My Steffi. I met my Steffi when I was 4 years old on the playground of Maple Grove when I went to kindergarten.
Here's a picture.
We went to Maple Grove, which now is Bench Brewery. Yeah. The little red school box. It was the best school ever. So we met there and we were instantly friends, and we are still friends to this day, and we're both 46. So
and
imagine.
You both went through some
42
hard
years
times and
friendship.
Yeah.
And she's, you know, lived in Toronto. She lives in Oakville now. We've both been all over, but we always connect with each other, and it's so special.
She's the best.
She's the best.
Her sense of humor is
amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah, I love her.
You played
to pieces.
Soccer?
We played soccer together. But the funny thing was, we always joke about it because at Maple Grove, it was such a small school.
Oh, yeah.
And the people we started in kindergarten with, we went all the way through till grade 5. And there was only me, Stephanie, and another girl, Faye. And so Steph said, well, we had no choice to be best friends. So, you know, like there was just 3 girls. So anyways, funny. But no, it's so special. And we still connect all the time, and we go to her cottage, and our sons are the same age.
Yeah, and your partner Ryan and her husband are
good friends.
Good friends now.
No,
so
it's wonderful.
Great. Yeah.
So we just treasure pieces, treasure friends.
Treasure friends.
But we're going to show you some new colors of some treasure pieces from Grizas. So here we go. And I think a lot of you lovelies are going to love the color. Okay, so first treasure piece is our beloved bubble dress.
Oh, the color, Tessa.
And we did it in a gorgeous aqua turquoise.
Oh my goodness, it is a gorgeous color.
This dress, ladies, if you don't own one by now, it is the best dress going. It just fitted so beautifully. Nice and fitted on top.
How many do you have?
Out. To be honest, I only have a black one.
Do you?
Yes.
I don't have one.
You don't have one?
No, I've never owned one.
Wow. I'm shocked. It's my favorite dress. And this is in that textured linen, ladies, that we've had this season. That just
hangs and flows, and it's beautiful.
So we got another color too, and we did the taupe. The taupey.
Oh, that's so nice.
I know. And we did this mocha color in a tunic from Grizas, and it sold out so quickly, and this color is so beautiful. This earthy tone color.
This earthy tone with white is so chic.
Yeah, stunning. Grizas fabrics, ladies, are bar none.
Yeah,
they are absolutely
and look at
beautiful.
The fabric that's in this skirt alone.
I know. It's absolutely gorgeous.
And it's all cut on the bias, so it will just drape and flow around
and hang, yeah.
Yeah.
So now we have some toppers to go with them, and we have the blue turquoise in our favorite jacket.
Oh my
Me and Lousje, now you have a bunch of these in your wardrobe.
I just looked at them.
Yeah? And how many do you have?
I'm embarrassed to say.
Well, no, because it's the best fitting jacket.
8.
No, you don't.
I do.
8? Oh my God.
I have the first ones, the short, really short ones.
Yeah.
Remember? With the little stand-up collar?
Yes.
And I still wear them
all the time. And then the French terry.
Yeah.
The French terry.
I wash them. I put them away in the winter.
Honestly. And for travel, it's the best. It's almost like the jean jacket, right?
Exactly.
So this turquoise is matching that dress, can go over the dress, which is gorgeous.
And look at this too with your skirt.
Yeah, pretty, eh?
So pretty.
Yeah.
With the white little t-shirt.
It's so
beautiful.
beautiful.
Look with my black pants. And this color, I'm telling you, is almost for every skin.
It's so beautiful. And then at the back, there's a little slit.
I was just going to show it.
Yeah.
I'm losing my dress.
So ladies, I had to do a black as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, here's the slit.
Yeah.
So
beautifully fitted lines.
We did black a few years ago because I have one in my wardrobe. I have a black and white one actually. I love the white.
Yeah.
The reason I love white, but I am so scared wearing it.
Because you're sloppy?
Well, I don't want to touch countertops. I don't want to touch doors. I don't want to touch anything. I'm afraid because I'm so, I don't know. It terrifies me because I guess it's because I see my kids and if they have anything white, it's like
Oscar.
a disaster. Yeah, my son. Oh my God. Anyways, I restocked the black and I thought the black would be stunning over the taupe, stunning also over the turquoise.
Yeah. And with anything, with everything that you own in your wardrobe.
Yeah, but just to bring the black back.
It's absolutely
Gorgeous.
Yeah, I'm so glad they kept the design.
And then, ladies, we did one scarf in the turquoise.
My.
Now, our scarves sell out so quickly, so we're so sorry, but we only buy so many, as you know. But this is so beautiful. And it's the same turquoise color as the dress and the jacket.
Yeah.
So it's such a great set. I'm going to style these up for you tomorrow. And I can't wait to mix and match them all because they're so beautiful. Yeah. All intertwined together. So now another treasure piece, ladies, that is another silhouette pattern that we have carried over the years that everyone loves. And any size you are, you look amazing in this dress. Same as the bubble dress.
I can't wait.
Is our sherry dresses back.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a favorite. That is a favorite of your lovers.
I know Kate too. This is one of her favorite silhouettes as well. And she owns a few of them.
Yeah.
But it is the simplicity of it, ladies, is just, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, and you know what is
the shoulder
on? It's just unbelievably
It cuts you right
gorgeous.
in the right spot.
Right.
It's got slit pockets.
Slit pockets.
Beautiful little bubble bottom.
Yeah.
The silhouette is not as bubbly on the bottom as the other one.
Well,
but
this is not for everybody. If you know.
Yeah, but honestly, ladies, like that dress, the bubble dress with the little cute crop jacket on top.
Yeah, it's for everybody.
Such a good look.
Yeah, it's for
And if you're going to any cocktail parties or weddings or outdoor events, that dress with that jacket paired up with some pearl earrings
and heels.
Beautiful.
Scarf.
But this dress too.
Yeah.
So those little jackets fit over this dress as well. Beautifully.
It's beautiful.
So you can pair those up too as an outfit.
You know what I find too with this linen, if you're a little bit conscious about the wrinkles, this hardly wrinkles because of the weight.
The weight of it.
The tight weave of the woven.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
We are like, I just beam when we have Grizas in the boutique.
I know.
Because it's so luxurious.
Yeah.
And beautiful. So I did black in the sherry dress because we haven't done that for years either. I don't have this one, no.
That's nice.
I try to limit myself from what I take.
Yeah, you're very good. Oh, I saw your thumb going. No, it's you were.
My thumb wasn't going. But imagine the turquoise jacket over this, ladies. Like how beautiful would that be?
Tessa, with the scarf. Mm-hmm. Jeez,
I know.
It's.
Are you okay there with your shoulder? You're doing pretty good there.
I'm doing pretty amazing.
Yeah, gorgeous. Look at. Oh, stunning. Oh. Stunning. Now hold up that dress, Mom, because I have one more surprise for you lovely ladies. A beloved sweater that sold out so fast this season. We did it in the turquoise. The rose.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't it cute?
That is so adorable.
So imagine it over this.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
I know.
Yeah.
And it's a little off. It's more of an ocean blue, but over the dress too. I'm going to pair that up for you tomorrow and show that off because it's nice to have the different tones. Put a nice scarf on to tie it all together.
I love this piece.
Yes, stunning.
And this also with a pair of jeans and a little t-shirt.
So cool.
Peeking out.
Yeah. And we had it in the raspberry color and we had to reorder it twice and it sold out.
Yeah.
So then I did black as well because we can't do it without.
Nice, yeah.
So again, this would be stunning over the turquoise.
How is this sized again?
So these guys are extra small, medium, large, and
large,
then extra large.
Yeah,
so there's 3 sizes.
But this is the small, so you see how generous it is, but that's how it's supposed to fit.
Yeah,
right?
it's actually not, it's nice. It flows nice. And then over the taupe dress as well, ladies, I was thinking this would be stunning over the taupe dress.
Oh, for
I call
sure.
it taupe mocha, the
brown.
Yes.
Yes, I love that. Where is it? I have too many beauties here. Yeah, you know what? That is one of my favorite combos. It's so chic and
such a good
understated.
look. Yeah, it is understated. But how stunning is that?
Artsy, beautiful.
Yeah.
Then you can go nuts with your scarves and
and your jewelry. A bliss necklace, right? You know, a small drop.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Big chunky bracelets.
So many beautiful bliss.
Bliss, I know. It's so gorgeous. So ladies, that is the Grizas drop here today that we curated for you lovelies. Oh, the little jackets too, just so you know, a little heads up. We have some fall ones coming in the French terry, which was me and Lousje's favorite. Yeah. And I picked out a few fabulous prints that it's coming in.
I only have one French terry because I gave one back to you.
The red one you gave to me?
Yeah.
I love that. I wear it all the time.
You wear it all the time.
And I never wear color, but that red is gorgeous.
It's a beautiful red, yeah.
So watch out tomorrow. I'm going to style this up for you. And we hope you enjoyed the videos. And, you know, share your story too of your bestie, because it's fun. You know, let us know in the comments. We read all your comments.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, we love it. All right. Okay. Hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And as always, keep on smiling.